guys, nag-checking ako sa aking ATM for my salary. Ayan guys, English. Alright. Oh, le. 1, 2, 4, 8. Where's her? Balance inquiry. Oh my God! Oh my God! Mavi salary. Sabi nila, money is the host of everything, but not kernel. Paano naman kung wala pang sweldo? Tinignan ko ang itiin ngayon, wala pang sweldo. So, I am in the negative position. So, what did I do? I want to drink coffee, pangpatay ng negative. Now, I'm going to positive. Okay. Is this good?